Hi guys, welcome to another episode of DIY Project presented by Cash Design Studio. In this episode, we will be showing you how to make your own DIY beer bottle lamp. This is a list of material required for this project. Once you're ready, you can start off with the base. Lay out the materials required for the base as shown. Then start off by fastening the pushing pipe together with one elbow short pipe. Remember to slot the Christmas light through the pipes every time you connect the two pipes together. After that, fasten the pipe connector together with a 90 degrees elbow and one straight T-pipe on the other side. Side of the legs assembled, fasten the connector to a straight T-pipe in between the two legs to complete the base. Continue by connecting a 90 degrees elbow to the base with the connector, and another elbow right out. Long steel nickel pipe to it, and an elbow after that. The next steps are the same, just fasten the 12-inch long steel nickel pipe following with an elbow and 3-inch steel nickel pipe after. Lastly, for the pipe structure, connect the reducer with the connector. As for the bottle, stick a few layers of double-sided tape around the opening of the bottle. To fit in the pipe, stuck it in as deep as possible. And there you go. A simple yet cool looking DIY light for you. We would like to thank you for watching this video. And don't forget to follow us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, and also our website at cashdesignstudio.com.